everyone, it's day 59 and today is 9th of August, means the Raksha Bandhan. I hope you have celebrated well. Also from my side, happy Raksha Bandhan to you. So let's come back to this point. On the day 59, what we are looking for, we are breaking down the task which we discussed yesterday by redefining a problem statement. Now, based on those tasks, we will divide into multiple subtasks and then progress one by one. So let's revisit our problem statement first and mark it down what the subtask could be. So here is our requirements. Problem statement which defined tomorrow or yesterday for these things, and we will start working on this from tomorrow. So now you can see first part is the admin section, and what we will do in the admin section, we will make a home page for admin. Page. What are the things? Home page for admin, then page for specific users, demographic of the app, and what more? It could be post review. So in the my post section, it have display all of my posts in one place, option to edit and delete the post, edit caption only. Now queue mechanism, especially for high request APIs. Setup of queue mechanism, and what extra could be required in the setup of queue mechanism. After the setup, task based approach, adding the caching. Now email generated report, creating email template, generate report as a task, email setup, and finally sending mail. So this is just a small update, and that update is again adding timestamp. So time in format of minute, second, minute, hours or days, and months and years. So now what does this mean? So you can think in this way. First is seconds. So let's say if the post is within 1 minute, so it will show seconds. If it's greater than 1 minute but less than an hour, it will show minute thing. Then if it's greater than 1 hour and less than 24 hours, it will show hours. If it's greater than 1 day and less than 30 odd days or something, it will say months or days, and if similarly months and years, so on. Now search feature, adding a search bar to filter the user, upload image, adding CSS to make visible, profile update. Now adding more sections like address, full name, and what else could be there? You can think. Link to public profiles, bio, etc. Now this is a branching feature. This is a Docker container setup, writing file, Docker file, setting up GCP, setting deployment services. Again, adding this in user side to mark someone for review. So now, if you note down, there are few things that are enhanced, and just a smaller update like this one branching, adding this, all of these are small steps. These are new features, so this is a small step again. So all of these are a task and subtask. Now we will define those things in Jira. So let's get back to Jira. Create epic. So we will create multiple epics. Again, the epic should be of first thing of design. In terms of design, there should be one epic. Again, backend development of one epic. First front-end development should be there. Backend development is another epic. Then API integration. And finally, the part of deployment, Docker and deployment. Sorry, containerization. And deployment. So Docker is one of the application for containerization. So let's mark a calendar here, and it will be more 9 days, 10 days. Sorry, this is for this part, so let me remove this. Now in the design part, different design, admin instruction is there. here. Uh, Now, after admin, what could more be there? My post should be there. Now, design part of email template. Now, design part of search feature. Design part of comment. Edit. New version. Upload image. Same. Profile update. And finally, the task of user marking for review. Now, in the admin section, we will create child work item as homepage user, demographic of app, now these are things we have defined for this. Now for my post again, similarly, what we will do, we will make a child item. So display all post, display feature, delete and add feature, edit feature. Then email template is enough for that. What are the extra thing that has to set up extra? Nothing. So these are all the tasks we need to do. And now we have created the board itself. And it's a multiple task. So you can see in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 tasks. And every page has another more task. So it will require time, right? 1 month time. And we are still setting it up for 1 month. And we will start from tomorrow for these things. And we will go on the design page. You know where we were designing. If you don't, let's get back to that. So again, we will do the same thing. First, we will make a wireframe and then design. So now you can see If you remember, this is the wireframe and design we have made for our application in the first iteration. Now we are coming back here and we will design and edit our wireframe accordingly and change the design in the our website as well. So that will be our goal, and this wireframes and design part we will done in Figma again. So we will learn more about it from the next session. I hope you will enjoy these as well. Thank you for joining, and that's all for today. Let's come back tomorrow to build and burn together. Thank you.